is the story of my death, a life short-lived. It's difficult to be up here and watch as my killer walks free from persecution. Hopefully, I've left enough evidence for the police to understand why she did this and hopefully catch her. She is surrounded by innocents who know nothing of her darkness. There is no denying that there is evil in this world, but the light will always conquer the darkness. This is my story.
I'll need to have a look at that murder weapon. Where were you on Friday, the 13th of October? What were you doing on Friday the 13th of October? Is there a reason why your fingerprints were on the murder weapon? Did you have any connection to him at all? Are you going to answer me? Answer me! You are under arrest for the murder of Charlie Wright. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney.